welcome back to my channel, and today I have a fall front porch tour for you. It is fall here in Michigan, but today it's a little windy out, so you can hear the wind going right now, but the weather's beautiful. It's in the low 70s to mid 70s, and it's just beautiful, but the wind is knocking down all of the leaves off the trees. And even though this video is a little later than I anticipated, I'm putting on my channel, it's still just screaming fall right now. So why not get outdoors and engage in nature and engage in the leaves falling and the seasons changing. So right now we are basically cleaning up and preparing for the winter months. So that means we're just cutting back some of our shrubs and plants and flowers and things like that, and putting things away that need to be stored away for the winter before it gets really cold. But we are also pulling out our final harvest out of our garden, and we are decorating for the fall, and all of our pumpkins are coming in. I have a lot of orange pumpkins this year. I didn't plant a lot of the heirloom pumpkins that everybody loves, the whites, the blues, and the peaches, but I did pick up a few from my local Walmart to kind of decorate for the fall, along with some mums and other things. So I'm going to turn this camera around, show you what I've been working on, and show you what I'm doing to prepare for the fall, to kind of keep some of life around here in my home, but also to cherish the fall season. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I'm doing a lot of behind the scenes and a lot of videos and posts on there. And then also make sure you check out my blog too for a lot of details of where I purchase a lot of things. I can put links over there, so go ahead and check that out as well. And I hope you enjoy. Happy fall!
Okay, first things first, we needed to go ahead and give the deck a good cleaning and take off all of the old stain. It was this funky orange, and I decided to paint all of the railings and top of the deck white, and then the floor of the deck this deep brown. I did have some of my family members help me from time to time. This project took about a week and a half, and it was a lot of work. I do have a deck in the front and also in my backyard as well. Now I'm going around and adding mums throughout my front and backyard. I picked up these mums from Walmart. They had different varieties and shapes, so it was perfect for me to plant accent pieces in the front in my flower garden, and then also place some in pots around my home. Now I went around and added splashes of Halloween. These wooden signs were gifted to me years ago, and they were made by a local artist. And a lot of my Halloween decor I've had through the years, but I did pick up a few pieces this year. I am basically here just kind of rearranging the porch to prepare it for fall colors. So removing the pillows and putting some fall and Halloween pillows on the little rocking chair that I have here, and added some different varieties of pumpkins and some jack-o'-lanterns in with my ferns. My ferns are very luscious right now, so I don't want to get rid of those and replace them with mums, because I feel like they're going to last at least for another month. Now I moved on to my backyard and planted some mums back there because I had some extra from the front. I love to use galvanized pails, if you've noticed. I like to put those all around my house. I like the rustic look, the traditional look of it. And this galvanized wash tub, I actually got at a barn sale, and the smaller ones, I either picked them up at Menards, Walmart, or I found them at garage sales. Now I'm adding this plaid blanket to my front porch because I think it gives a touch of fall. I added a skeleton with a witch's hat to my decor as well. And remember, you can find all of the detailed information if I didn't tell you about it in this video over on my blog, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. I'm replacing these lanterns as well with these galvanized jack-o'-lantern pails. I believe I got those at Menards, but don't quote me on it. Like I said, I will find the links for you and put those in my blog. I had to add one last touch, which is this crock. I did pick up this crock years ago on Amazon. I do have a couple in my house that I've picked up at estate sales, garage sales, thrift stores. So I just feel like it gives it this look. We basically live in the middle of nowhere, so this crock is really perfect with these orange mums. Okay, I hope you are inspired by watching this video today and finding ways to incorporate a little bit of fall and Halloween around your home outdoors. I love incorporating so many things from the outdoors, such as pumpkins and mums, but as you can tell, I've collected a lot of things through the years, and I love bringing them out because they remind me of my children when they were little. Let me know some ways that you are decorating this fall and Halloween. Let me know in the comments. Are there some different traditions or different things you do? If you like fall videos and you want me to do more, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss any videos from me, remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to conclude this video with kind of just a brief overview. There is my skeleton. His hand is down. I'm going to put it up so he can wave hi to you guys. And go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys real soon.